How to join random Zoom meetings. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join random Zoom meetings without entering a certain type of code or any password. So first things first is there are actually a lot of resources where you can locate a specific Zoom link and entering it publicly without using any password. You can either go into Ask the Community or from the Zoom community or on Zoom official site, which is here. So if you go here, you can go down and then it is actually labeled as upcoming meetings, which is be available for public. They also have ongoing meetings or new meetings that is available for public as well. To join them, make sure that you're already logged in into your Zoom account. And then once you click on any types of public meetings right here, that will automatically open up your Zoom app or from the web version of Zoom. And that's it. That's how easy you can join random Zoom meetings.